Hello, hey guys, good evening to all. So today this is the third video lecture of VK Mehta, and as you know, this is a session in which I am covering VK Mehta books of competitive book electrical engineering. So this is the third session video, and if you not watch before two session video, then go on my playlist, and after that you can watch. So before that I had covered point 10, and in this video lecture I would like to speak all the thing in English. I would like to i mean uh, uh, yeah, cover whole the points in English. So yeah, as I know, I had covered the point 10s in last video lecture. So if you wanna interested to watch, then please go on a playlist and watch first of all. After that, if you come here, then you will I mean get a good interest in this session. So first of all, 11 point, what say resistance. So resistance means what? The opposition offered by substance in the flow of electric current in current is known as resistance. Resistance means what? It's become opposition. Opposition means become a hindrance, become a obstacle in the flow of current is known as resistance. Okay, but this is a competition book. We should have to know what is resistance, right? If we know, then it's type of I can say, if we have knowledge, then we can tick a correct option in exam. So first of all, as you know, opposition if opposition by any substance in the flow of current is known as resistance. Okay, so here is mentioned, in other hand, those substances which offer high opposition to flow of electric current is called insulator. High opposition those substance offer is known as insulator. Just as for example, what is insulator? Glass, rubber, mica, dry wood is known as insulator, right? So this is known as resistance, and after that insulator. Now unit of resistance. What is the unit of resistance? So practically, unit of resistance is ohm, is represented by symbol omega. This is known as omega. Okay, this is known as omega, right? It is defined under a wire is said to be a resistance of 1 ohm if the potential difference of 1 volt across the end of 1 ampere current flow through it. Because as we know, resistance equal to, here is mentioned, resistance equal to rho L upon A. This is known as rho. Rho means resistivity, L equal to length, A equal to area, and R equal to resistance, right? So here is mentioned, yeah. So here is a how to calculate the resistance is mentioned, but how here is mentioned, how we should have to know how here is mentioned. What is 1 ohm of what is 1 ohm of resistance? So we know that V equal to Ri, right? From Ohm's law, V equal to Ri. So here is mentioned a wire is said to be 1 ohm. Here we can I mean. Uh, express in another way this formula, then we found at R equal to V upon I. So if V equal to 1 volt and current equal to 1 ampere, then it's known as what? 1 resistance, 1 ohm resistance, right? Now I hope it's clear. So here it's totally clear how to calculate, how we calculate the resistance, right? So now the yeah, as I told you, this is known as rho. This is known as rho, and the value, its value depend on the nature of material of temperature. Nature of material of temperature. The value of rho is depend on nature of material of temperature. 13 point is resistivity or specific resistance. Resistivity or specific resistance. So as we know, R equal to rho L upon A, right? So resistivity means what? Resistivity, as I know, this resistivity means hence a specific resistance of material is a resistance offered by one length 1 meter length of wire and having a cross section area of 1 meter square, right? So this is known as resistivity, and the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter, right? Ohm meter. How ohm meter? Because resistivity is rho. Rho is known as resistivity, and if uh, solve this equation in a in a, uh, in a head form, then we found rho equal to r a by L, right? So R the SI unit of power is omega, right? And this is meter square by length ka meter. Then meter, sorry, what's happened? My God. So here is then after that we find the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter, right? Ohm meter. And for example, resistivity of copper is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter, resistivity of copper. And resistivity of copper, it means if you take a copper wire of 1 meter long and having a cross section area of 1 meter square, the resistance of piece of wire is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter, right? That's it. This is known as, sorry, ohm. That this is known as specific resistance. Now we have to cover up what is conductance. So first of all, I would like to say this is my first session in which I think I am going to teach, or I am going to, I mean, cover this session in English. So that's why I have a little bit hesitation. But sure, if you not practice anywhere, then your hesitation will not going to improve. So it's okay, this is my first video lecture. I am feeling proud because at least I am able to, I mean, make understand what is resistivity, what is specific resistance. So now I come on a 14 point. So obviously it's a I mean, feeling good about me. I also able to make understand the topic in English. So conductance, reciprocal of resistance is known as conductance, and conductance is denoted by G, right? So this is not more than that. So conductance means what? The reciprocal of resistance is known as conductance. And conductance, SI unit of conductance is Simon, SIMEN, Simon, right? After that we have to common conductivity. Conductivity is nothing, just like conductance. It is the reciprocal of resistivity, right? And the SI unit of conductivity is Simon per meter square. So if you wanna know how it's come, then obviously I would like to express in a formula. Then, as you know, 1 upon r equal to 1 upon rho. I mean, this is known as resistivity. So reciprocal of resistivity is known as conductance. So now as we know, rho equal to as from this formula we can express r equal to rho L upon A. So now rho equal to as I mentioned, rho equal to what? Rho equal to R A by L. Then if RA by L. So if sorry, just wait. So if we reciprocal of 1 by rho, I mean resistivity, then we find L by RA. So now here we found 1 upon this is omega and meter. So 1 upon omega is known as Simon, okay, Simon, and meter inverse. So now it's clear from where it's come, Simon meter square, right? So now we have to come on the topic number 15. Topic number 15 is most important, because a component whose function in a circuit to provide a specific value of resistance is called resistor. So now we I mean how we know which type of resistor and what the value of resistor. So it's for for easy method to know the value of resistor, it's come a color code of carbon resistor. So how, what's the color code? We give a color code in this sense. So color code for resistance value is black for 0, right? Brown for 1, red for 2, orange for 3, yellow for 4, green for 5, blue for 6, and violet for 7, gray for 8, white for 9. And this is known as color code for tolerance. Gold for plus minus 5, and silver for plus minus 10, and no color means plus minus 20. This is known as tolerance. This can be increased or decreased. Suppose if I say the value of resistance is 21 plus minus 5%. 5%, this means resistance of value is 21. This can be increased by 5 and this can be decreased by 5. The value may be become 26 plus 5, and it can be decreased by minus 5, then 16. So this is known as color code, and it's become easier for understanding the resistance value. And for make it so easy to learn, we found a trick. This is known as a trick. bb roy bb roy Great Britain, very good wife, right? B means black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. That's the easy way to learn this trick. BB Roy of Great Britain, BB Roy, the Great Britain, very good wife. Now it's very, I think, clear all the points. And yeah, sure, I can say I am little bit. I am also in confusion. I am able to make all understand or not. But sure, this is my first video lecture in English. But upcoming video, I think this is first one. But in upcoming video, I would just explain how I explaining in Hindi. There is no doubt. So I hope you saw my video at the last. Then sure, don't forget to share it, because if you share, then most of the students know, and they also prepare for VK Mehta competitive examination, and this will help us to for BTech examination, as well as engineering examination, as well as GATE and other competition exams. So lastly, I would like to say thank you.